would you say this is $1 million storm?
Absolutely. Yeah, at least.
It's no surprise, but cleaning up after the blizzard of 2026 is going to cost big bucks, and it's on your dime. Most of the snow budgets in cities and towns were already in the red before the big storm hit.
We had the $1 million movie, now the $1 million storm. They'll have to find the money elsewhere. NBC 10's I-Team reporter Tamara Sikarsek and Brian Crandall are also digging deeper into this.
All right, Jean Patrice, snow removal, as we've seen, has not just been local this time around because of all that snow. There are crews here from several Northeast states. Somebody's got to pay for that.
That's right. Then, of course, we have those municipal costs. We're talking overtime, gas, vendor fees. That all, as you know, Brian, tallies up to taxpayer dollars.
I would say at least $1 million just for this storm alone.
Going down in history as the largest and most expensive storm in southern New England, the blizzard of 2026 is now blowing a hole in municipal budgets.
We had budgeted about $700,000 for the year. We're about $300,000 over that going into this storm.
Cranston Mayor Ken Hopkins tells me after other big storms, the city had already exceeded its snow budget and is now pulling cash from the rainy day fund.
We're going to have to deal with FEMA and try to get some type of federal assistance for this particular storm, and we're working with the governor's office on that.
Other cities and towns in the same spot. Before the blizzard, Johnston was already $79,000 over its snow budget, Warwick $64,000 in the red, Westerly nearly $72,000, New Bedford $235,000. Cities and towns estimate this storm will cost anywhere from $50,000 to $1 million, from overtime and vendors to out-of-state aid, all of which they hope to get reimbursed for.
Part of that will turn, as I understand it, on whether the president declares a state of emergency for certain areas that were hardest hit. That triggers FEMA reimbursement eligibility for those areas, and so that's an open question.
Meanwhile, cities and towns are already drawing up snow budgets for the next fiscal year. Are you reassessing yours for the coming year, and if so, can taxpayers expect to see a tax increase?
Well, I don't know if a tax increase will be directly related to the storms. Again, for 5 years, we didn't have many storms, so our budgets were based on that. Now that we get one like this, you have to reassess that.
For you at home, that could mean an increase in property taxes.
The budgets are tight all over the place right now.
So Governor McKee's office tells me the state will submit a declaration request to FEMA for reimbursement. Now, the minimum reimbursement is 75%, so even if FEMA approves that, there's still a chance that up to 25% could fall onto municipalities, which means local taxpayers. Now,